Alright, this everything was built in 79, but it went out on 1979, probably in August, September sometime on the floor. Old Ariens actually just repainted it, and I found the paint that actually matched it exactly to what it should be. I didn't paint the inside, a little scratched up down here, but I believe the paint that I found, obviously I did the wheels, guess I didn't tape up the rubber so good, so the tires got a little on there, but ain't nothing that won't wear off over time. Like I said, the paint I found that matched it exactly, like Ace Hardware carried it, and it was Alice Chalmers orange gloss, made by Ace. So one can was enough to cover it, and then I did a clear coat on it. I did a full carb rebuild on it too. It's got all. I didn't replace the needle or anything. I just replaced the float pin, some of the seats, the little gasket, stuff like that, and retuned it. I got it figured out. I can't, I just turn on my gas. I only pump it a couple times after I pump it. She runs really good now. Obviously, like I said, I got a choke. Everything's original. The engine, I ran the numbers on that. That was made in, it was made in 79 also. So, well, like I said though, she should work pretty good come the snow. Runs really great. I can't wait to use it. I've always liked these older machines. They don't make them like this anymore. It's not really that warm yet, but by 19, I guess on the floor, so it would have been 1980 officially. Ariens, the STA24. It's almost that time of year, so I'll get to try her out and post another video of how she looks, blowing snow. So can't wait for that. I'll be posting more.